So this is QANX, QANplatform, and what did I say last week? I was looking at this swing failure, huh? Wasn't I? I was looking at this SFP of this level there. It happened, and look, we're getting a nice reaction. So there's definitely, it was definitely a good level, wasn't it? It was a good level that I gave people, if people were paying attention in my last week's stream. The price is now, from that swing failure level, the price is now 15% above that level. We had a really nice, we had a swing failure and then we had a little fake out, but effectively that was the area I was interested in. We're getting some nice green volume on this rise. It's looking quite bullish, isn't it? A little bit of a impulsive buying. Now we're in the correction. It's almost like you've had your first wave and now we're correcting wave 2, some kind of expanded running, some kind of running flat here. So I think QANX is looking quite nice actually. So I mean, waiting. You might not have caught lower prices, but basically we're back at the same levels as a couple of weeks ago, almost 2 weeks basically. And this is looking quite good. Let's have a look at these higher time frame candles. Well, weekly, we have to see what happens this weekly candle, if we get some kind of bullish engulfing weekly or not. We'll know by the end of Sunday. And on the monthly time frame, it's looking nice. The monthly time frame is looking like a swing failure of these red pivots here. See how the month ends. That'll be important. If you close lower, then we still have potentially to go down to try and put in a higher low. If you close higher, then maybe we don't go down so far. So it depends on how the month ends. Depends on how the 3 month ends. It'll be nice if the 3 month candle closed above these previous lows. That would be a really bullish indication. Huh? That would be a 3 monthly candle swing failure of these previous candle lows with a massive buying tail. Same with the 6 monthly time frame candles, and then on the yearly time frame we're already above previous year lows, like a massive candle swing failure right down. So buying now would be basically buying at the same price as last year's low, thereabouts. So it's still a really good price to buy. And you know, I'm just looking at this now, I'm just thinking to myself, if you're out of position, maybe some people are, it might be a good time to start scaling in. We saw a nice 2 days ago, we saw a really nice bullish engulfing with increasing volume, and that's led to increased impulsive buying. And we're seeing the same thing on the 3-day candle. If we close higher in 10 hours time, some nice bullish price action here on QANX, possibly bullish engulfing on weekly. Some nice local bullish price action now, just off this swing failure here. Just remember that this lower low here has invalidated any impulsive wave 1, wave 5. Like if that was impulsive, which it was, this lower low has invalidated any of those impulses. So the whole thing is still, to me, looking like an expanded flat. Okay, it's interesting because the Mainnet, the Testnet news led to a sell-off, but now we're actually getting to fair prices which means something. Yeah, and so potentially we're still looking at what I was talking about, some kind of expanded flat. You see that expanded flat? Oh look, it's almost to the T, an expanded flat. Let's have a look at my folder. I'm going again, so next week I'm going to be resetting all my charts, clearing everything, redoing everything again. What did I say here? That's no use. Oh yeah, because I was just speculating, wasn't I? That's pointless. It was these ones, wasn't it? Nope. It was none of those. Oh, you'd have to go to last week's video to watch that. Let me just quickly do it here quickly. Very short video. Hopefully a short video. A, B, C. A, B, C. Now this is the thing. I don't know what this is going to look like. Is it like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? B, C, A, B, C. Could it just be another A, B, C here? Or could there be another... like for some kind of 5 wave there? I don't know. Who knows? No one really knows. It's all kind of fun. Up there. Oh, that was the wrong one. There, C to C to C. Let's hide these. Let's get rid of that. Let's put some timings in. I've done this before, but I'll just quickly do it now. Yeah, end of January. Huh? The thing is, the fib time is coming to the end of January, like the 3rd week of January. So I do wonder if we do have another dip at the end of January. How else can I draw this? Let's try it somewhere else. Let's just try it from these 2 last pivots. No, I don't like that one. You already had the expansion here, see? On this 618 here. Bam. And then it just made a lower low. Is there anything else I can do here? Probably from there to there. To the beginning of the month, beginning of February, yeah? End of Jan, beginning of February. That would be more like that. And then how would I do this? Okay, it's come all the way to find resistance off the 618. That's really the level in the sand. Getting back above like 2 cents or 1.968 cents. See that? Let's try it somewhere else. Let's try it like this. Full fib, full extend. No, I don't like it. Alright. So anyway, we've taken out that low. So at the moment that's holding a support. Let's just put volume minus, not the whole range, just that. So we're kind of underneath the value area. We kind of need to get back above this area. Short of like a crazy expansive move with crazy volume, I do still feel like we need to round here, consolidate here for a bit before we do explode out. And that would be good to see. Imagine if we start getting something like this here and then expanding out at the beginning of February, because they announced the mainnet. The mainnet, yes. That would be good, huh? The mainnet is gonna bring in a lot of interest. All right, so that's QANX. If you like this video, feel free to like, share, or not. Feel free to curse. It's all good. And what time is it? All right, it's running late. Short videos today. I'm going to be looking at